If you're trying to decide between the Panasonic Lumix L10 and the Leica D-Lux 8, here's the fast, real-world verdict. I've spent time with both, and even though they share that same sharp 24-75mm f1.7 to f2.8 lens and a similar micro four thirds style sensor, they feel like completely different cameras in your hands. The Lumix L10 is the one I'd pick for serious hybrid shooting. Autofocus is noticeably faster thanks to phase detection, so tracking moving subjects is way more reliable. And for video, it just runs away with it. 4K at 120p, open gate recording, mic input. It's clearly built for creators. The fully articulating screen also makes vlogging or awkward angles super easy. Now the Leica D-Lux 8? That's more about the experience. It's lighter, more minimal, and feels like a classic street photography tool. The interface is simpler, and it encourages you to slow down and shoot intentionally. So yeah, pick the Lumix for performance and video power. Pick the Leica for style, simplicity, and that premium shooting feel.